Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. The 2022 Lexus IS looks the part of a compact sports sedan. 3 engines are available, a turbo 4-cylinder, a V6, or a V8, with the latter two delivering aggressive F-Sport styling and chassis enhancements. Despite its appearance, the IS delivers a refined ride, but those seeking sharp handling may find that it's too soft. Rivals such the Audi A4, the BMW 3 Series, and the Genesis G70 offer more driving engagement and livelier powertrains. Still, the IS offers a well-rounded entry luxury package with handsome styling and desirable features that should win it favor with buyers seeking curb appeal. A new premium package is now available in IS500 and IS350 trims, and it adds 19-inch wheels with either all-season or summer tires and door jamb protectors for the front doors. On the IS350 model, the memory package adds memory settings for the power-adjustable steering column, exterior mirrors, and driver's seat. That model can now also be ordered with a power rear sunshade. Although we're most intrigued by the high-performance IS500 model, its price may put it out of reach of many shoppers. If that's true for you, we'd think the mid-range IS350 F-Sport with rear-wheel drive offers most of the IS's performance charms. The F-Sport package not only offers more aggressive exterior styling, but also comes with unique 19-inch wheels with larger rear tires, a cold air intake system, a limited-slip rear differential, an F-Sport exhaust, and sports seats with heat and ventilation. The 2022 IS has 3 engine options, a 241 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder in the IS300, a 311 horsepower V6 in the IS350, and now a 472 horsepower V8 in the IS500 F-Sport performance model. We haven't been fans of the 4-cylinder in previous tests of the IS300, as its dull character isn't well matched to the car's athletic chassis. Ordering the V6 allows the IS to shine and unlocks the F-Sport package, which brings numerous performance upgrades such as a limited-slip rear differential, staggered 19-inch wheels, and an optional adaptive suspension. The V8-powered IS500 model is the one to consider. While not nearly as spacious or deluxe as Lexus's flagship LS sedan, the compact IS still offers a premium experience. Power front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and push-button start are all standard features, while a power sunroof and leather upholstery are options. When the IS was redesigned for the 2021 model year, Lexus made few changes to the interior, but a discerning eye will notice relocated cup holders, round air vents near the door panels, and an infotainment system that's been moved closer to the edge of the dashboard. An 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard and also uses a console-mounted touchpad. A larger 10.3-inch display is optional and comes bundled with in-dash navigation. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa are compatible with either system. As in the previous generation IS, a Mark Levinson premium stereo system is available as an option, but this time it has 17 speakers and 1800 watts of power.